Hello, I'm Liviu Balan, and today I will speak about Vagrant status command. So let's get started. First thing that I will do during this tutorial is to open the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. In order to do this, I will click the menu button, and here I will type virtual and select Oracle VM VirtualBox. Hit the enter key, and as you can see here, I have only one machine, Ubuntu Trusty 32, which is powered off. Let's change the current working directory to my Vagrant directory, and here I will use the Vagrant status command. Hit the enter key, and as you can see, Vagrant is giving me an error. What is this command doing is to tell you the state of the machines Vagrant is managing, because inside of this Vagrant directory I don't really have a Vagrant machine, meaning that I don't have a Vagrant file inside of it. Vagrant is giving me an error. The error is something like a Vagrant environment or target machine is required to run this command. Run Vagrant init to create a new Vagrant environment, or get an ID of a target machine from Vagrant global status to run this command on. A final option is to change to a directory with a Vagrant file and to try again. So what I will do next is to change the directory inside of a directory where the Vagrant file that Vagrant is telling me about exists. So if I change the directory to Ubuntu-Trusty32 and hit the enter key, now if I use the Vagrant status command again, you will see that the current machine states is powered off. If I open Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, you will see here that my machine is powered off. If I use Vagrant app with the provider VirtualBox and hit the enter key, now if I use the Vagrant status command again and press the enter key, you will see that the state of my machine is running. If I open Oracle VirtualBox Manager again, you will see here that the machine is running. Now let's change the current working directory to my home directory. And here I will use Vagrant global-status command. This tells the state of all active Vagrant environments on the system for the currently logged in user. This command doesn't actively verify the state of the machine listed and is instead based on a cache. So as you can see here, my machine located here on my home directory /vagrant/Ubuntu Trusty32 with this ID and the name default for the provider VirtualBox is running. Okay, as you can see here on this message provided by Vagrant, the above shows information about all known Vagrant environments on this machine. This data is cached and may be they may not be completely up to date. To interact with any of the machines, you can go to that directory and run Vagrant, or you can use the ID directly with Vagrant command from any directory. For example, Vagrant destroy and then the ID listed here. Okay, you can instead use the prune option with the Vagrant global status command, and what this option is doing is to prune invalid entries from the list. This is much more time consuming than simply listing the entries. Now if I hit the enter key, you will see the same output listed here, but this prune option prunes invalid entries from the list. Okay, so this is how you use the Vagrant status command. If you want to learn more about Vagrant, about web technologies, you can check out my tutorials on YouTube and also visit my website liviubalan.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.